We will guarantee collective leadership at all levels. We will build a technically competent bureaucracy for the party and ensure a structured financing. All members will truly own the party. Every one of us here has equal right in this party, and I want all of you to note that. We will be fair and just to all party members. We promise to be totally transparent. ADC will have zero tolerance for anti-party and any form of indiscipline.
The General has spoken.
You are either in ADC or you are not in ADC. There is no midway in this business. And those who are not with us, we will not carry them along. We shall advance our grassroots leadership structures to reflect modern realities. From the polling units upwards, up to the national level, every organ will be re-energized. We will open the gates for the next generation. Our policies, nominations, and leadership roles will reflect meaningful inclusion of youths and women, and not just tokenism. This is why we have reserved 35% of our leadership positions for women. It is also our commitment to have youths below the age of 40 years in our leadership position. We shall clearly articulate what we stand for. Nigerians must know us as a party driven by unblemished ideology, progressive policies, and patriotic governance. We will not leave it to the discretion of individual candidates to choose what to do with power. Therefore, in the coming days, we shall announce a 50-member policy committee to cover health, education, agriculture, technology, security, economy, infrastructure, and other services. This underlines ADC's focus in achieving good governance for Nigerians. Finally, we invite all Nigerians to join our party. ADC is the only party that guarantees equal opportunity to everyone, regardless of age, gender, religion, or region. Our handshake is across all the divides of this country. We have a handshake across the Niger, handshake across the Benue, handshake across the Delta when Niger and Benue meet and they flow. Distinguished members of this very great party, again, let me assure you that this leadership will be transparent, will be honest. We are part and parcel of you, and there will be no protocol whatsoever.